For me, to level up with Nikon means to have all the creative freedom I want with my camera without losing the digital aspects of a smartphone.
My name is Olivier Wong. I am a French photographer based in Paris. I was doing photography as a hobby. As I discovered the city, I was wandering through its streets, discovering the monument, and that's how my passion for photography grew. Hey, sorry to bother you, I'm Oliver. Maybe I can give you a small tip to help you have a better result.
Yeah.
Will you be interested?
Yeah. Wow.
So this is the idea, and this is what you can get with a camera and a zoom lens. 2 years ago, I decided to go full-time photography, as I had lots of projects, because I'm mostly known as a Wonguy on social media, and this is how I became a full-time photographer. You don't have to be really close, so you can zoom in. When I started photography, I was shooting mainly with the phone, because I knew nothing about photography, so it was a way for me to capture the daily life. But as I get into the photography business and I had some project, I had to invest into a camera. And this is now the main tool I am using to capture my photos. Hey, sorry to bother you. I see you are taking pictures, but there are lots of cars and lots of movement in your pictures. Maybe I can show a quick trick. The trick is, you can, with this camera, change the shutter speed and have a long exposure. We are looking to get rid of all the people who are crossing. Yeah. Okay, let's go. It's almost like it was empty. The SnapBridge app was a useful tool to have because I can, for example, shoot some photos and then, send it to my phone, edit it a bit, and then directly post it on my Instagram. And this is how I started TikTok. I started to post some behind-the-scenes shots as well as the result photos. And this is how it grew up. I started to gain my first million after a month of TikTok because I had one video that went really viral. And then I say, oh, this is something I could really do on my free time. Thanks to TikTok, I grew from only photographer business to photographer and videographer business. So now I can shoot both photos and videos. Having a camera that is working perfectly and allows me to capture the perfect moment at the right time, that's why I always carry my Nikon camera. Hey, sorry to bother you. I am a photographer based in Paris. Maybe you want some shots?
That would be amazing.
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it, and then I will show you the result.
Awesome, yeah. Cool.
Just be curious and try to experiment different things, and maybe you will turn your passion into your work. Here are the shots.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Maybe you can try it. You have the IAF recognition. It sticks to the eyes and you just have to push. I always try to live in the moment, and for now I think I'm really happy with the life I have. Being able to work as a photographer was not what I expected to be when I was young. But right now it's really amazing to be able to work on different kind of projects. Like for this project with Nikon, the Level Up campaign was an amazing experience for me. My favorite lens is the Nikon 14 to 30mm f4 because I really like to capture architecture and streets in Paris, so I need a really ultra-wide angle, and that's what I can achieve with this lens to be able to capture the Eiffel Tower as a wall. You can walk towards me. Okay, let's go. These are really nice. So beautiful, yeah. So these are the pictures straight out of the camera. So today I am working with the Nikon Z6 II, which is a full-frame mirrorless camera. I also have the Nikon Z30 camera, which is vlogging camera, very compact and lightweight, which is great to shoot some videos for vlogging.
Hi man, what are you doing here?
I'm doing some long exposure shot with my camera. You can take a shot like this, but the windmill will stay what you can see. But if you do long exposure shot like I'm going to do, I'm going to show you. So I think the Level Up with Nikon campaign was an interesting one because I get to experiment new things. For example, approaching strangers and saying, hey, can I teach you something? It's not something I'm used to do. So, you know, it was really nice also from them to be that much receptive, and they were also curious about the camera I use, the lenses I use, how I can achieve this kind of photos directly with the camera. So it was, you know, overall a great experience.